Go long. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Watch me dribble. I blame the ball. Oh. Watch me juggle with this hammer and this phone. I can still juggle the hammer. I can still juggle. I can't believe my mom is making me study. I mean, high school doesn't care about the homework you have in other classes. They just keep on piling it on and on and on and on. Oh, I can't wait to fix this ceiling fan. Just let me set my phone down again so it doesn't away. I think I'm ready to test it. Wait, where's my phone? Wait, where's my phone? Where is it? Where is it? Woohoo! Can't wait to fix this washing machine. Where did I put this phone? Close enough. Okay, now let's test it out without any mistakes, shall we? Where's my phone? Oh, there it is. I think I should just open it and get it. Can I please just not screw it once? Okay, let's test it. Oh, I gotta make a call after this. Wait, where's my phone? I think that's it. No, come on. I can't catch it. Oh my god. This is the last thing to repair, right? I think you just said it right here. Oh, son of a bitch! I need some sis. Here's the bowl, and I'll put this here for now, and I'll remember to get it because I always do. Never mind that game. That game sucked anyway. Let's just record myself in 3D playing this game. Come on! Look what you did! Clean it up! No! It needs to be bigger! God damn it! Quick! We have to get up! Yeah! He stole my purse! I mean wallet! Come get your purse, Percy! Wait, give me your phone! Yeah! Good idea! Call the police! Ethan! Huh? Wow, this sucks! This tastes like the garbage. Whoa, giddy up! Whoa, bath with my clothes on! Oh no! My phone's in my pocket! Ugh. Oh wow! It's that episode I like!
Yeah, that's me!
song.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, bye. You serious? Ooh, I love that show. Now back to my chocolate bar.
Gone bad. It's
I mean... Aw, what a cute baby. Oh, hang on, baby, I got a tweet. What does it say? Oh!
my baby. It's cracked. You caused this.
Trimming the tree, trimming the tree, trimming the tree. Gonna put my phone here while I trim the tree. No! Welcome back to Tech Spots. There's a logo if anybody still cares. Today we're gonna be performing a bend test on the HTC Evo 3D.
The HTC Evo 3D claims to be nothing proof. So let's see what it will hold up against in our bend test.
Let's begin our bend test.
The HTC Evo 3D did not survive the bend test. So let's move on to the destruction, which we do for more views. Yay! Oh my god, it's Plainrock 1 I love board smashing. Hey, no photos! Oh, so you like board smashing, huh? Okay, you can have this, cause I'm such a big fan. That was awesome! The way the screen came off my phone? Here, let me finish it for you! Okay, you can have this, cause I'm such a big fan. You know how we like to drop test things on the show. First, the backside drop. 3, 2, 1. Next, the corner drop. 3, 2, 1. The face down drop test. 3, 2, 1. We did not survive it at all. Okay, we're gonna use this rock. 3, 2, 1.
Why the heck won't these damn batteries fit?
Thank you for calling. This is Kyle speaking. How may I help you today?
I need to repair an HTC Evo 3D.
Alright, what happens to be the problem you're having with it? I'm sorry?
So much replacement is how much, because I don't think you can just repair this. I don't
On it, but let me just look into something for you. Yeah, for example, the buy a new one, for example, on Amazon, that's $95.
Just $1.95.
Oh no, sorry, $195. That's for a new one.
No, that is too much, so I think the best solution is to break it some more. Thank you for the help.
Not a problem. Thank you for calling.
No phones! No phones!
Oh, what the hell? Oh no, my excellent phone! Get out of the way!
Hey mom, can we turn on the AC? It's hot in here. Then why? Fine, I'll just lift you. What's wrong with you, Mom?
Riding dirty, tryna catch me riding. Me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty. Me riding dirty, tryna catch me. Me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty.
Crispy.